Oh my god.
Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. In the last episode, we made an interesting discovery and then repaired it like an absolute DIY boss. I mean, look at that. Awesome. My name is Erica, and this is my 1995 Honda Del Sol with a decent sized crack in its windshield. When Safelite refused to remove my windshield because of rust, I called my good friend Jerry for some help, and we took matters into our own hands, and Jerry's feet. First, we removed all of the exterior trim pieces, the cowl, clips, and gasket. From there, we removed the interior panels and pieces from behind the windshield so that we didn't damage them, and for easier access to the windshield. In order to get the windshield out, we decided to first try this tool that I bought off of Amazon. To use this thing, you need to poke a hole into the windshield adhesive, easier than it looks, feed the wire through, and then wrap the wire around the plastic handles that comes with the kit. From there, you simply do this in order to cut the adhesive. While it worked, the progress was slow at first, and it was pretty difficult, and the wire broke a bunch of times.
We're insane. It's so annoying.
Then we got the hang of it.
Moving?
Yeah.
And then, when it came to the bottom part of the windshield, we just couldn't get under there, so we decided to just kick it out.
It's cracking.
Did I do that?
I don't know. Maybe.
I'm asking for gloves because once we push this bitch out, it's gonna break.
Oh, you're gonna push it right now?
Yeah, what time you want me to push it?
Oh no, I'm scared.
Baby's coming.
Let's go. Oh my god, I'm scared.
You wanna kick it like a donkey?
No, I probably shouldn't. Donkey kick. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was just gonna say, maybe we don't need to take it out. It's too strong.
What?
I'm just kidding. Do not cut your feet. Easy. Be careful. Oh, jeez. That shit was really on there.
And that's how we got the windshield out without Safelite's help. In the next episode, we'll tackle the rust spots and get the new windshield installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.